Welcome to the innovative Compubyte POS software. In the last of the series of quick tutorials, we will look at returning goods to the supplier. If you look at your menu, you'll see it's item number 7. So you can move your cursor down, your arrow down, or you can just click on goods returning. You click on it, it asks you for the account number, which in this case is lead trading. We're going to choose lead trading. Also, an important thing to remember is if you don't know the account number and just say this particular list is longer than what you're seeing here, then you can even type in TRAD and it shows you all the lead trading accounts. So if you have many accounts, you can choose which one you're basically using. Now if I'm going to return, just say item number 1 minus 1 and it says extra large item, or I'll just say 1 minus 1 and I'm going to return 1 small, 1 extra large. That's the 2 item I'm going to return. I'm going to update it, shows me the value, the discount, shows me the total value of my credit. In this case, because it's a supplier, we call it a debit note. You press the end button, number of copies 0, and it shows you whether you want to print. There's no label there because it's a debit note. So that's it, and it's completed. Now let's just look at the account. So I press again the F4 key. I go to goods receiving, because goods receiving is everything that's got to do with your creditors. I go to lead trading, I view the account, I put my access code to view the account, I say detail account, I owe them 1,586.17 because I owe them 1.8 and that was that credit that we did for 232.12. Now I close this particular window and I want to see detail itemized. I click on it and I can see exactly what items I've returned, what I've ordered from the creditor, what was basically received from the creditor, and what was returned. So I close that window. That's how simple it is to basically process this particular document, which is a debit note or returning goods to the creditor.